This isn't me. My AI clone added 40,000 followers. No filming needed. Everything you're watching right now, my face, my voice, all of it, is that exact clone built from one 15-second clip of the real me. And here's what it did to my business. When I started using it, I was sitting around 60,000 followers across my platforms. Today, I'm over 100,000. Brands have paid me thousands of dollars for videos I never sat down to record. In this video, I'm going to give you the entire workflow, how to clone yourself, and the one step most people skip that actually decides whether any of this grows your account. By the time we're done, you'll be able to set this up once and batch a full week of content in one sitting. Real quick, before we build it, I turned this whole video into a free follow-along guide. Every setting I'm about to click, written down step by step, so you can build your clone right next to me instead of taking notes. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. And so you know, I'm not just reading about this stuff. I post AI content to over 100,000 people across my platforms. My videos have done tens of millions of views, and this exact clone workflow is what I use every single week. Nothing in this video is theory. Okay, let's build your clone. Quick story before I show you this. You know how people in the morgue just get used to it, or ER nurses? They see that stuff that will make normal people pass out and they just keep eating their lunch. That's me when it comes to AI. I test AI tools every single day, and at this point, it's kind of hard to impress me. But when HeyGen dropped Avatar 5, I sat there staring at my screen like, ain't no way. I was genuinely impressed. So the first thing we're gonna do is head over to HeyGen and go to Avatar. So here are some that I've made already, but for this tutorial, we're just gonna go ahead and go to new avatar. So the options are clone a real person or create a virtual character. Today, we'll be cloning a real person. If you prefer not to use your face, you can just create a virtual character. I'll create another video in the future going over that. But for today, click clone a real person. Now your options are you can upload a pre-recorded 15-second clip, or HeyGen is gonna assist you in doing so. For the sake of this, I'll walk you through it. So here are some quick tips for recording a great avatar. As you can see here, both your voice and video guide your avatar's motion, and it just shows you some do's and don'ts, all right? This one over here is pretty natural. Obviously, no one's recording videos like this, but more importantly, it's gonna be hard to create the avatar if you are this erratic. So when ready, go ahead, start recording. Now, here on the screen, you're gonna see a prompt that is gonna have you speak. And for safety purposes, my unique code is 63. I consent to HeyGen creating my AI avatar. I'm speaking with lots of energy while staying natural and confident. This helps capture my voice, my expressions, and my motion, so my avatar can behave just like me in any video. This is my first time reading this message, and it's just gonna be a whole lot easier when you have something pre-recorded or pre-written down. If you're using the teleprompter looking straight into the camera, that kind of stuff is gonna help you out. Some other things to know when you are creating your avatar, you have to have great lighting. That's the most important thing. Even if you have a boring background, such as a plain white wall, that is perfectly fine, because inside HeyGen, you'll be able to make your background more aesthetically pleasing. So if you take a look right here, you'll see some options. Just pick whatever suits your style, right? And just cycle through so you have an idea what your background may look like. All right, and then go ahead and generate looks. During that 15-second, it did already record your voice, but you have the opportunity to, previously as we were speaking the script, HeyGen has already recorded your voice, but it's also recommended to record your voice separately. So you can go ahead and click record voice. So here's a script that HeyGen provides. It recommends for recording at least 10 seconds. 10 seconds is honestly wild to record such high quality voice, but I feel the longer you record, the better it'll turn out. That's why all my videos and my short form content, you can't even tell it's an AI clone. Another thing is better to use a professional mic, but if not, you can still use your iPhone. What you're listening to right now, I'm using a shotgun mic. I'll link it in the comments. Or the other option, if you already have audio, if you're already creating content, let's say if you're a podcaster or we have a bunch of reels, whatever, you can just go ahead and strip that audio from your videos and upload it here. And here's another pro tip of how you can get good quality sound. But for the sake of this, let's just go ahead and record. Oh my gosh, I can hardly sit still right now because I just discovered something that feels totally like a game changer. For years, I wanted to share you what I know. Teaching, explaining ideas, helping others learn faster, but creating content takes forever. Recording, editing, fixing mistakes, it's exhausting. But then I found HeyGen. With HeyGen, I can create AI videos that look professional without needing a studio. I can turn one script into any language, I can update content instantly, and I can create lessons, tutorials, and videos that engage with my audience in minutes. And the best part, I can scale my communication without burning out. If you want to reach more people faster, HeyGen might be the best thing you ever try. All right, so that was quick 45 seconds. I was a little, added some extra words there, but you know, it's okay. 45 seconds, HeyGen's gonna do his thing, and then we're gonna see how it comes out. Create a clone. Here are your options. You can play them all, see how they sound.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview. Take a quick listen.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview. Take a quick listen. But here's the thing, a perfect clone with nothing to say is useless. So we're gonna talk about figuring out what to post. Now this step is crucial for growth. And it's also the easiest way to do it without having to reinvent the wheel or go through trial and error. I don't guess what to post. I find what's already proven to work. So here we have a pretty big Instagram account, wink guys. We're gonna head over to the Reels tab and just scrolling through the page. For example, this would be an outlier at 550K, 789K, because then you have some like 22,000, 11,000, 96,000. So pretty much any video that has an absurd amount of more views than normal is an outlier video. So let's go to my page. You see some outliers. So my views are around 10,000, 29,000, 20, 30, 40, 30. So roughly around the 30,000 range, right? Then we have this video right here, 248,000. That's definitely an outlier. Another one, 168. An outlier video is doing way more views than everything else on that page. The simple version is this. It's proof that the topic works, not a fluke. And honestly, the first place to hunt is your own page. Your best video is the safest outlier there is because your audience already told you what they want. That's what I'm gonna use right now. So I'm gonna take this video right here, copy the URL, and then next we're gonna head over to Claude. So I'm inside Claude. I'm just gonna simply paste the link to my video, and I'm just gonna ask to help me recreate this reel. Yes, the prompt is super duper basic, I get it, but I have already built a custom skill inside Claude of my own instructions. So Claude doesn't just spit out a generic script. It rewrites that winning topic in my own voice. Now, yes, I did use my own voice for this example, but if it was someone else, it was still created in my own voice. So it comes out sounding like me instead of sounding like AI. Quick note on that skill, it's something I built for myself, so it's not in the guide, but if you want your own version of it, let me know in the comments. If enough people ask, I'll put something together for you all. So now you've got a script that's already proven to work, but a script is just words until your clone actually says them. So next, we're gonna generate an actual video. Now, this is the part that used to be a whole production. Now, it's just copy and paste. So now we're back into HeyGen. All right, so we have the text hook, the verbal hook, main content. So real quick, last week I built a website agencies charge 10 grand for, straight from my terminal, but 51,000 people asked me how. So this time I'm building the whole thing on camera. Here's the exact setup. I think I might just have to create this into a video. So this is the part that used to be a whole production. Now it's just copy and paste. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this entire script and then head over to HeyGen. So now we're back on the HeyGen website. I'm gonna go right here to avatar, select the avatar you created using video. I always like to use quick create, and then just gonna go ahead and paste the script that you generated inside Claude. And once you like the way it sounds, you just go ahead and press generate. So now let's take a look to see what we created.
Last week, I built a website agencies charge 10 grand for, straight from my terminal. But 51,000 people asked how. So this time, I'm building the whole thing on camera. Here's the exact setup. Step 1, open Claude Code in your terminal. It comes with the $20 Claude plan. Step 2, add the UI/UX Pro Max skill.
Amazing, this works for me. The last step you have to do is bring it into an editor and make some quick edits. All right. So go ahead and download the video that you created, and then you can bring it into your favorite editing software. And that's the whole machine. You find an outlier, Claude turns it into a script that sounds like you, HeyGen films it in your face and your voice, and the quick edit makes it live. Once your clone is built, that loop takes minutes. I can easily batch a full week of content in one sitting. Remember, everything at the top of this video was the clone. That's the same quality yours will have. Everything shared in this video is in the free follow along guide linked in the description and in the comments, so you can build yours step by step. And if this video showed you something you didn't know AI could do, hit like and subscribe because I test stuff like this every single week, and I'd love to show you what's next.